Looking for a way to easily visualize your storage solution's profitability? Please spend 3 minutes to have a look at our storage calculation software. Newolution was founded in 1988 and specializes in PV solutions since 2004. We develop tools for installers that work, because we are an installer. The Solar Map offers you easy access to the tool. Here you gain an overview on your sales activities. You see all projects you have calculated and can jump into any of the datasets with just one mouse click. Entering data is convenient as you can derive the geo-coordinates of your project by just entering the address. Your prospect will be displayed on the map and the potential solar energy yield is being determined automatically. Not only do we simulate energy consumption using standard load profiles, we also offer you the hardware and software to measure your customer's electricity demand on site. The test results can then be imported by our calculation program. Our software will be pre-populated with your storage system's data in its various configurations. With this data, we will perform an accurate calculation on an hourly basis for the system lifetime. In this calculation, we will simulate the generator's production, the energy demand, and the storage system's energy profile. One of the displayed results is the number of full charge and discharge cycles during the storage system's lifetime. The created documentation starts with the entered parameters, including location, estimated energy yield, and the actual and expected future feed-in tariff remuneration. The document also shows the standard load profile that was used as a basis for the calculation or the results of the conducted individual load profile measurement. We also show the basic parameters of the considered storage system. Finally, we display the key financing figures. The analysis starts with the estimated energy production during the system's lifetime, the resulting electricity price, and the potential self-reliance quota. Afterwards, we provide an overview on the key figures by showing electricity production and consumption, direct own consumption from the roof, and the amount of stored and self-used energy. The latter two sum up to the volume of electricity that did not have to be purchased. The share of the avoided purchases in the total energy consumption describes the self-reliance quota. The own consumption quota is described as the share of the total production that could be directly consumed. As our application calculates the system states over the system's lifespan with an hourly granularity, we can name the estimated number of charge and discharge cycles. The electricity price is being calculated by dividing all cost through the amount of kilowatt hours produced. This is the cost at which the system owner can generate his own electricity. In the next section, the standard load profile or the measured data will be graphically displayed for a typical day. The next chart shows the typical energy flow, containing PV electricity production, energy consumption, direct own consumption, storage of electricity in the storage system, consumption of previously stored electricity, and electricity supplied into the grid for a typical day and throughout the course of a whole month. The display of this chart can be selected and deselected for each month of the year in the report generator. An important key to understand the overall energy balance is the yearly overview, which summarizes the monthly results. After the energy flow has been described, the financial key figures will be displayed. We are calculating the expected feed and tariff income, income from direct energy sales, and savings through avoidance of electricity procurement. These altogether determine the value of the produced electricity. Finally, the program displays the financing plan, the assumed buy costs, and a simulated liquidity flow. Our tool can be easily adapted to your corporate identity by incorporating your logo and colors. The created simulations will be stored on our server in PDF format and will be reliably available even years after creation. We hope this information was helpful to you and will gladly support your storage sales with our innovative calculation tool.